this was just a peek to substantiate that 21st century skills like creativity, critical thinking, problem solving, and only to name a few, are an absolute necessity. You do need these skills to be prepared for a change, to foster innovation, to in fact have future-ready citizens whose portfolios match up to the expectations of prospective employers, citizens who can deal with today's digitalized world. By the way, do you know by NEP 2020 envisages a paradigm shift in education to empower learners to relate their learning to real-life issues? How relevant, how engaging school education is going to be with skill labs, field trips, joint projects, and case studies. Just imagine playing musical chairs to solve a coding problem in computer programming class. Need I tell you how thrilled I am? Members of the House, the true purpose of education is preparation for life. But is this possible if learners are not taught how to be participative? If the societal views do not include flexibility, adaptability, and global and cultural awareness, and most importantly, if they do not imbibe social responsibility and ethics, before I conclude, let me assert, these skills are for everybody. You take homemakers, vendors, grocers, everyone need to learn these 21st century skills to keep pace with the rapidly evolving world and volatile economy. Well, I'm ready and gearing for an education that equips me with the skills to be future ready. Are you ready and ready too? Thank you.